I created these short videos in minutes with zero manual editing.
It first appeared in the late 1800s and
Captain Hale, a man shrouded in mystery, carries a burden.
This is Hypernatural AI, an AI-powered video creation platform that helps users turn scripts into engaging videos for shorts and reels. So in this tutorial, I'll test the text-to-video feature, create AI characters with realistic voices,
Dare not speak aloud.
Almost there.
The path leads to forgotten.
and customize everything until it's ready to export. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. To start creating your first video, go to the AI video generation feature inside Hypernatural. We'll use a script generated by ChatGPT. You'll find all the prompts I'm using in the description below. After that, choose the settings for your video. Pick the aspect ratio you want, for example, 9:16 if you're making reels or shorts. Then select a video style like anime, digital art, or photographic. Set the duration based on the length of your script, and once everything looks good, let the platform process it. Hypernatural will create the initial draft, so review the preview carefully. Check the voice, the aspect ratio, and make sure the style matches the look you want. If everything is correct, click Make Video and give the tool a minute to generate the final version of your video. Once your video finishes generating, Hypernatural will take you straight to the editing interface. Start by playing the video from the beginning and review how it looks and sounds. If you want to refine anything, you can adjust the caption style by changing the font, size, or on-screen position. You can also swap the AI voice if you want something that matches your tone better, or switch the video style to give your visuals a completely different look. After making any changes, hit regenerate and the tool will update the video with the new settings. If you want smoother movement in your visuals, you can turn on full motion mode, which automatically converts your static images into animated clips. Once everything looks right and you're happy with the final version, you can download or export the video directly. Hypernatural also lets you create a private access link, which you can share with clients or teammates without having to upload the file anywhere else. Moving on to AI character generation. Start by clicking Create New Character. You can upload a portrait image of the person or avatar you want to use. Next, give your character a name and choose the voice you want. You can pick from the pre-built AI voices, record your own voice directly, or upload an existing voice clip. After that, add a description for your character, including details like personality, background, and tone. You can also review and tweak visual features such as hair, height, skin tone, and clothing to make the character look exactly how you want. Once everything is set, click Create Character and your AI character is ready to use. To make a video from it, go to My Videos and select the character you just created. Click Use in Video, then enter your prompt or script describing exactly what you want your character to say or do. After that, follow the same steps as before when creating a video. Choose the video style, select the aspect ratio, and adjust the voice settings if needed. You can also make any edits to captions, visuals, or animation to fine-tune the result. When everything looks good, generate the video, review the preview, and export your final character-driven video. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The free plan comes with 100 lifetime credits, basic features, and watermarked exports, which is perfect for testing out the platform. If you need more flexibility, the Creator Plan is $19 per month, which gives you more credits, custom characters, and HD exports. The best part, you can find pricing based on your home currency too. So try out Hypernatural AI using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.